SSH stands for Secure Shell. This protocol provides a safe and encrypted way to send data between two computers over the internet. The way it does it is by placing a public key on all authorized computers, and then access is allowed only to the owner of the matching private key. Let's begin by generating the public and private keys. The way we do that is we type ssh-keygen, and if more security is required, you may create specific keys for each connection. So if one connection gets compromised, then the others are more likely to remain secure. But for now, hit return and accept the default shown between the parentheses, and then you'll be asked for a passphrase. Passphrase is another layer of security, can be anything you like. If this is your personal computer guarded by a password, then not adding the passphrase is okay, but it's still recommended. Hit return again. So a key pair was created in the .ssh directory. We can list the files and view the public key, which is the one we'll be sending to the remote machine. So next, we need a remote server with SSH access enabled, the account user and password, and the domain name. I already got all that, so the way to log in is SSH user at hostname.com. Once you hit return, you get this message. It's saying, I haven't seen this host, and you really want to connect. And one of the ways in which SSH ensures the security of your connection is by prompting you to accept the key. So here's a disclaimer. If you need more time, you can pause the video. So after typing yes, it creates a known host file, and you'll need to enter the password. And you just logged into your remote server. The known hosts file is in .ssh, and we can view it like so. And the next time you log in, only the password is required and the warning doesn't show up. I'll cancel the login because I don't need to log in right now. And if you do see the warning again for the same connection, either the host machine reset its SSH keys or your connection is being intercepted, so proceed accordingly. So presently we can SSH with a password, and a better way is to copy our public key to the remote machine. The command is this, ssh-copy-id user@machine. And if you created a non-default SSH key, you'll have to add the path to key flag after the command like so. I won't do that. I'll just add my username and hostname. Hit return, and it doesn't work. Luckily, Homebrew has the answer to that with brew install ssh-copy-id. Once that's done, you can run the command again, enter their password, and after that's done, check this out. We can let's say we can SSH with a user and host name, and we log in without a password. That's fantastic. The public key was stored in authorized keys on the server. We can view it. So far, we've created a secure connection with our remote machine using SSH, and we can simplify the process further with the SSH config file. Instead of typing SSH user at machine, we can use an alias such as SSH and anything we like. And to do that, we need to create a file. We go to our SSH directory, we create a file named config. Let's edit that file, and this is on our local machine. The file is configured as so. It's host star, and this means that the configuration will apply to all of the host aliases. And I'll add the identity file since that won't change. And then host with alias name. This is the name you'll use, you want to connect, and then the user and host name are listed like so. Now, if you need to create other aliases, you can just copy one and add the new descriptions. I'll delete that. So save the file and go back to your terminal. And guess what? We simply type SSH with the alias, and we log in immediately. How nice is that? Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.